Whenever you're ready.
All right, so what's your name and the name of your business, or just your name?
My name is Anastasia Bang, and my business, I will not gonna say. So it's actually my husband's business. I'm helping my husband.
Okay.
So just Anastasia Bang, and that's my husband.
Okay, good. And what did you learn that you can apply outside of here?
From today's event,
Yes.
or
From today's event.
today we have heard about incredible opportunities, and this is something which I perceive is for everybody, and this is once in a lifetime. So, and this is really applicable for anybody because this is something that you can just take and do.
Good.
I'm talking about something.
Good. Very good.
It was not very specific, I know,
That was
but like,
perfect.
yeah,
That
okay,
was
thank you.
perfect. I just wanted him to move the camera over a bit, that's it.
All right.
What was your biggest takeaway from the workshop?
That I have to do it. We have no choice, we just have to do it. I'm talking to my husband, we're making an appointment, so we just have to do it. It will be no-brainer.
Beautiful. What did you think about the speaker?
Actually, Manuel is a fantastic speaker. It's not the first event we've participated in, and every time it's really very inspiring. It's a lot of data which is applicable right here and right now. For example, yesterday we were listening to his short speech about AI, and we already created 2 messages by now. Within 24 hours, we already created 2 messages with using AI, and we bought already the GPT, Chat GTP plus edition, like, and everything.
Awesome. Thank you so much. That's